Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about how to create the pivot in SQL Server 2022. So let's get started this video. So the content to covering up in this video, what is pivot, element of the pivot, and the pivot query. So we'll understand how to write the pivot query. So here is a what is pivot. So pivoting data is rotating from a row based organization to a column based organization. What is that means is the distinctive value from a single column are projected across the headings from the column, and the many include aggregation. And now here is the example I have taken. This is my the table data. As you can see in it, say employee ID is a 001, home is a United State, and the employee ID, the technology he work, and the experience, how many years of experience he is having in that technology. So when I make it the pivot, so here is a 18 rows, but it converted to the 16, and it's created a pivot. This is the employee ID and the experience, who is having the 1 year experience, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 years. And here is the count, how which employee ID are having the how much experience. So that is the agenda to make it a pivot here. Let's understand the elements of the pivot. So grouping determines which element get row in the result set, and spreading provide a distinct value to a pivoted across, and aggregation performance and the aggregation function such as a sum or the count we can use. And now here is an example how you can write a pivot query, and this is what the output. So let's go with the demo, and we'll understand how we can write the query to make it the pivot table. So I log in my the SQL server, and let's see how we can start writing the query. So first of all, let's see the table data what we have. Select start from employee personal data, and we'll see the output here what we have. So we have all the employee ID and the name, the home name, and your the other things is the email ID and all. So let's select the few of the columns which we are going to make it as a uh, as a pivot. So I'm going to select here like a email ID, oh sorry, employee ID, EMP, employee ID, comma, the technology, and the experience, and the experience. Okay, so experience, experience. And let's see now what's the output come. Okay, so we have three columns here sorted, and now we are playing with this three columns to make it as a pivot. So first of all, what we need, let's use the select command again, and select select, and from where we are taking this data should go inside a bracket, and I'm writing here a from, and what the data we are selecting, just take a employee ID. Okay, so it won't show the data like that. The employee ID, and inside the employee ID, what we need the value from this 1 years of experience, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, and comma that till 5 years of experience we have the data. So I'm going to make it as a pivot for this data. And now what we need, uh, this table we have selected, let's make it as a give it any the name as a employee personal data, EP. So now we are done till here. Let's move it to write a command pivot, and then bracket start, bracket close, and then we are defining here the on what basis we are calculating the data. So it's a count for which thing, that is for a technology. So write it down here, a count for the technology, and for the experience. So let's make it as a experience. And then what we are going to use in and bracket start, bracket close for experience. No, that should come till here, and take this output value, input value as inside this in. And now we are good with this and name as a pvt or anything whatever you want. So what we have, okay, so here is a mistake, and let's correct this. And now query should be correct way. And now let's execute this query. What we have, we go to the pivot, and if it is not in the sequence, we can use the order by as well. Order, sorry, order by, and which the employee id, emp id, and that's all. So now it will shortlisted the data with the order ID, and here's the experience column. The 1 year experience, how many employees is having. So 1 year experience is having with the three technology 1 year experience, and this is a technology count because we use the count here. So employees 003 are having 1 year experience in three technology, and similar way we can calculate here. 1001 is having 2 years of experience in three technology. If you would like to validate it, so let's use this command. Select start from employee personal data, and let's execute this query. So what we seen it here, this, okay, let me execute both all together, and we are filtering the data for 1001. So you can see in the 1001 is having 2 years of experience, and how many times it came, 2 years of experience, and 101 is the 2. So that means his total count is a 3, and that's why it's printing the output value is 3, because 2 years of experience are having in three technology for this employee ID 001. So that's how you can make it a pivot for any of data. So thank you guys. See you soon in my next video, and thanks for watching the video.